Yo, my guys, hope everyone's having a good and lovely day. If you aren't having a lovely day, make it lovely right now. Go and do something. Do something good. So, yeah, I haven't posted in a while. I've been sick for the past 2 weeks and in Mexico, so I apologize about that, but I'm back. I'm back at it. So, today, it's currently 8:14 in the morning. I just got done trading. I took a little win today. And sorry about not looking. I think I'm driving right now. But took a little win today. Wasn't the biggest because it was just win off partials and trading. But I'll go through a little trade recap in a bit. But other than that, what I've done so far this morning was I mainly just traded and edited a little video for my Instagram account. So it was a solid little morning. I'm waking up a little bit later right now because I need rest because I'm sick, so I need rest. I need sleep. So yeah, I woke up at like 6 instead of 5. So yeah. So I'll have little videos for you guys throughout the day. I'll go a little bit more in detail. I'm going to school right now, so I'll have a little bit more detail after school of what I'm doing for the rest of the day. Basically what I have on the to-do list. So hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys are enjoying so far. It's just me yapping, to be honest with you. I'll try and bring you guys some free sauce, but I'll try. All right, so I'll see you guys, I don't know when next, probably after when I'm done with school. So yeah, later. Yo, so I just got home from school. It was a pretty boring day, not gonna lie, but we're back home. So I'll do my little trading recap right now, and after that, I'm mainly just working on videos for the rest of the day and taking some calls with some people. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today. Light day, then the gym, obviously. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the trade recap. All right, so trade recap for today. So today I took some shorts and it was a small win, mostly break even, but this is pretty much why I entered the trade and all of that. So I had a bearish bias going in the day because just of where we were on the chart. We were in this giant imbalance area with consolidation, and basically at market open, we had this SMT divergence. My lovely SMT on, we'll see if I can pull it up. So basically it was a higher high. There it is. There's a SMT right there on ES. Higher high and higher low on SMT. So that was a manipulation, and that caused a pretty big move down in that moment. Sorry. Okay, so SMT. Then that's when I started looking for shorts, basically. Shoot, I didn't do that. Okay, so we have this 5-minute fair value gap right here, and it was a pretty big move down, so I was pretty bullish. Bearish, sorry. So when we went into that 5-minute fair value gap, sorry, I cannot talk right now. So then I found my entry on the 1-minute chart. We went into it, created this high right here, and I wanted one more move up against that high, up on top of that high, to make a little manipulation leg. So we made a 1-minute fair value gap, we inversed that. Then my order filled once we retraced. Then I had my stop loss at break even around right here. So once we hit that, I put my stop loss at break even, and I took a couple of contracts off right there for a small win. Then it stopped me out at break even. So it was a pretty small win. Yeah, and that's pretty much the trade for today. Then obviously it went for a second manipulation, which on ES it retraced to the 5-minute fair value gap. Then it ended up crashing. So, but it's whatever. That's the trade for today. Hope you guys took value. And if any of you have questions or concerns about that trade, hit me up. I'll answer them. If you have any thoughts, if they're valid, I'll think about listening to you. If they're not, I'll probably not listen. That's how I just run things up. So, yeah. Now, dude, I thought I was over the sickness, but I guess it came back, which is unfortunate. But, shoot, bro. Alright, so I'm gonna be working on content now, basically. Some content. There's Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo. So yeah, working on content now. Just some stuff for the brand. Make sure to follow it up. Cooking DGS. Pure sauce on that channel. Not gonna lie with you. If you're into foods, bro, hit me up. DM me. I'll answer questions. I got you. So yeah. Gonna be working on some content. Some Instagram vids, you know? Just a normal thing. So, yeah. I'll show you while I'm editing them. Stay blessed. Yo, we just posted a new video. So make sure to follow it up at Cooking DGS. We post some banger content. And yeah, so that's pretty much what I just did earlier. Edited the video and stuff. And now I'm going to be doing my own little trading recap and just recap, journal. What did I do good on? What did I do bad on? What I need to fix? Recap this trade. Just recap more on how price moves so I get a better understanding of it. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do in the next 30 minutes, maybe 30, 45 minutes. So yeah. So I just made dinner. Not gonna lie, I messed up today cooking. Not the best meal, I'll be honest with you. It could have been better. By far, one of my worst ones so far. But I'll show a little video of what it is. I mean, it tastes alright. But it's definitely not going on the Instagram, you know? So, yeah, I'll show you guys a video. So, right here, we have the salmon, which I low-key burnt on the top. Yeah, I low-key burnt that thing. Yeah, that's definitely not going on the gram. Then we have some mango and blueberries. So it's a pretty healthy meal, I suppose. But yeah, I'm gonna munch this up. I'm just chilling outside. I'm gonna water my garden over there. Pretty lit garden. Then after that, I'm gonna probably do some calls. Some people. I have some calls that I need to do. So yeah, then after that, I'll catch you guys after that, and I'll be on my way to the gym. So hope you guys are enjoying. Comment how you guys are doing today and what you guys do, what you guys be grinding. If you're trading, comment where you are on your trading career, your journey. I want to know. So yeah, make sure to do that. But I hope you guys are enjoying and take some value from this. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm about to go to the gym. Yeah. I apologize about not filming earlier. Some banger tea, man. But some stuff ended up just happening, so I didn't end up going to the gym. So I just did a little calisthenic workout, I guess. So I'm chilling. Either way, I'm still sick, so I don't know if the gym's the best for me right now as of healing and stuff. So I'm chilling. So now it's 9 o'clock. I need to do some studying for school. My grades are cooked right now, which my parents are not the most pleased. Well, they won't be when they see, but yeah, it's whatever. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna finish the day with some reading and just journal the day, basically. That's all I have to do. Today was a more simpler day, straight to the point. Just content, mainly. A lot of content. Trading in the morning. Just a simple day. Just pure compounding. So, if you enjoyed the video, sorry, this cough, bro. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to sub. Join the free community. Link in the description. You could DM me on Instagram or DM me in the group. if you have any questions, like, I'm open to anything. Yeah, so hope you guys have a good day, good rest of your day, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Laters. And stay blessed.